Great. I propose we get started. Kalari's not going to be here this week. He's on vacation.
Oh, yeah, sorry, I'm in a bit of a noisy environment, but I can get started. Basically, so what I did is we wrote up this document on the estimate gas alternatives that we have. And I communicated that to two teams, and I'm still awaiting a response there, so not much of an update. Apart from that, somebody raised an issue on a repo. They would like to add the ability to override the beacon route and withdrawals for a given block.
Did they indicate why they wanted to do that?
Yeah, I can just post the issue in the chat. Basically, the idea is that it can simulate the chain, and it is just missing these things. And once we have it, they could use it in their testing setup to test an execution client or a consensus client, I think.
Yes, so the idea is it's very close to being something that will allow you to basically run a full fork of mainnet in memory, and all it needs is that, and then it would be there.
I think, yes, that's a good summary.
I'm not terribly opposed to it. These are just two parameters on the execution block, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm not against it. If there were two parameters that we just kind of missed, I think it's fine to let them be overridden. Should we add them to V2?
I think these are things that we can add to V1 already. They're not breaking in any sense.
It'd just be additive, purely additive. Yeah, if all the clients that have implemented this so far are okay with it, I'm okay with adding it to V1. We should make sure we get buy-in from, I think there's two other clients that have implemented, right? Besides Nethermind and Geth. I'm guessing they'll be okay with it, but we should just make sure. So A, make sure they're aware of it, that there's a change, and make sure they have no problem adding it in. The one thing I'd want to avoid is having like some clients have this and some clients not. And when you want to use this RPC method, you have to kind of probe to see what's supported and what's not. But if all the major clients have it implemented, then as long as you're on a fairly recent version, which as of the next fork everybody will be, then I think it's fine if we just update the V1. The other two clients were Reth, I think, implemented it, right? And
Besu.
Was it Besu? Okay. Oh, yeah, so we should just, are they in our Telegram channel? If so, by what name? Do we know?
Yeah, they are in the Telegram. And we didn't hear back from Besu. It seemed like they were passing quite some tests, and it was because of the parent hash issue in Geth, they could not pass some of the tests. So I'm wondering now that has been fixed, where they are at.
Yeah, I do not know. I will see if I can get a hold of. So Gabriel is from Besu, and I'll ask them in Telegram if they're okay with this proposal. This is just adding. Sorry, what are the two fields?
Beacon route and withdrawals.
Okay, assuming we can get buy-in from them, I'm okay with adding override support. How's Nethermind's test suite going? You guys get everything passed?
For me, I was mostly looking through the trace endpoints, so almost implemented. But I need to refactoring. On the test side, still I'm facing the issue where parent hash is not matching to the previous block hash.
Is that still the case?
But
I'm asking if it's still the case, because there was an issue and it's been fixed. And I believe the tests have been regenerated. So it would be nice if you can rerun and see if
on the
some
rerun,
of them are fixed. Sorry?
the rerun I can say it. I mean, I did rerun it.
Oh, and they're still failing.
Yeah.
So we have a second bug in the same area, presumably.
Maybe. But I said after finishing trace endpoints, I'll look into this.
Okay. It'd be great if we can get a third client working on the tests, just so that way we have at least a 2 of 3. So when we have these mismatch failures, we can have an educated guess who's got the problem. Right now, it's just Nether mining Besu. It's just up in the air. The bug is in one of them. So hopefully Besu or Wrath can get the Hive tests to the same point. Do we have anything else? Guess not. Okay. Talk to you guys next week then.